10 ways to make money on YouTube without showing your face. YouTube is a growing and booming way of making money. Many people are now interested in signing up for YouTube and using it as a source of making money. But despite the perk that YouTube allows people to make money in a creative and fun-loving manner, many people are not ready to accept the fact that they will be putting their entire lives online and sacrificing their personal lives. But does this mean that you'll not be able to use YouTube as a means of making money if you don't wish to reveal your identity or show your face? Absolutely not. If you're interested in finding out about how you can make money on YouTube without showing your face, stay tuned, as in this video we'll be sharing 10 different ways which will allow you to do so. But before we share the awesome tricks from our bag, make sure that you have subscribed to our channel and hit the notification bell. Also, like this video if you find it to be helpful and eye-opening. Now that this is out of the way, let's move ahead with our video. Number 1. Podcast. If you want to make YouTube videos to express your opinions and communicate with your audience without sharing your face, you can think of starting a podcast. Moreover, this type of video is highly recommended for people who have a lot to say and are opinionated. When recording a podcast, you'll also not have to worry about editing. Just choose a static image for the background of the videos and then start recording the video. Once done, you can simply move ahead and upload the video on YouTube. Number 2. Gaming channels. Gaming channels are gaining popularity at a rapid rate. New games are released and launched on a regular basis. People not only enjoy playing games, but also love watching the streaming of these games on screen. If you too are a gaming enthusiast who loves to play games, the good news for you is that you can use this hobby to make some money on the side. All you have to do is to record your gaming session with an interesting voiceover in the background. Number 3. Screen sharing style videos. There are a handful of screen sharing style videos that you will find on YouTube. This style of videos is the best for teaching, from theoretical concepts to teaching things like word processing softwares, editing, coding, and anything that requires you to work on your computer. You can start an educational channel for this type of content and record videos simply by sharing your screen. You can explain what you're doing in the background and share the screen for the visuals. And the plus point is that you only need a microphone and a screen recording software to record these videos. Number 4. Pet videos. We all have fallen down the black hole of pet videos on YouTube. Who does not like watching cute animals doing adorable and sometimes stupid things on screen? Well, I for certain love to end my day with pet videos, especially when I have had a tough one. If you too have a pet that is cuddly and adorable, turn your camera towards your pet and start recording your videos. These videos may be small in duration, but they will surely prove to be traffic magnets, attracting a lot of views from all around the world and ending up as a beneficial source of making money. Number 5. Compilations. Want to use YouTube as a source of making money without even having to make your own video? Well, we've got you covered. Compilations would be an excellent choice for you. You can pick any genre and select a couple of small video clippings related to it. Now all you need to do is to join the clippings together and turn the small snippets into a longer video. This is one of the easiest ways to making money videos on YouTube without showing your face. But bear in mind that this is a risky business, since you might get a copyright strike if the original video owner is not happy with your compilation. Number 6. Animation. If you have a creative mind and know the art of animation, you can start an animation channel within no time. There are plenty of videos on YouTube which are no longer than a minute or two long. You can use animations to tell short stories or even make some funny videos. These types of videos may require some effort, but if you are someone who loves drawing and animation, you will surely enjoy making this type of content. Number 7. Travel videos. Who does not love traveling? Everyone wishes to be able to see the different corners of the world and enjoy different scenes. If you are lucky enough to be a tourist and a traveler, you can also start your YouTube channel on the side. All you have to do is to take videos and photos of the places you visit. These recordings can be backed up by a voiceover explaining some interesting facts about the place so that the audience can learn some things about the places that you cover. Number 8. Video producer. Making YouTube videos is not all about showing your face or coming in front of the camera. If you're not comfortable sharing your face, you can make a team with some friends or hire actors who are comfortable with this role. You can take care of the video production and editing responsibilities while the people who are comfortable sharing their faces can stay in front of the camera. Number 9. Storytelling videos. Storytelling videos are very interesting and fun to watch. If you too have a lot of stories to tell, you can make a YouTube channel where you share your life stories and experiences with your audience. You can select a picture or even use drawing softwares to use as the visual aspect in these videos. Just focus on the content you share and the way you present your stories. The audience will relate to the story so much that no one will care that the person telling the story is not actually coming in front of the camera. Number 10. Review videos. YouTube is a hub of videos, and new videos are uploaded on the platform on a regular basis. You can actually use these videos as a way of making your own unique videos. Search for viral videos, songs, music videos, or any other category of videos that you are interested in. Now, all you need to do is to play the video in the background and then share your reviews on the video, adding your own unique twist to the content. Which way of making money without showing your face does resonate with you the best? Let us know in the comment section down below, but before we end the video, we'd like to emphasize on the fact that YouTube is an attractive way of making money, but it's not an instant way of earning money. So ensure that you stay consistent and don't give up. Upload on a regular basis and make content that is a true representation of your personality, rather than trying to get on the bandwagon of copying the latest trends.